no gold is not enough.
Welcome guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to say that how we can create a connection between an application, a PHP application, and the MySQL database. So if I go to the database of my project that we are working on currently, just a practice project. So I have here a project and three tables: countries, posts, and users. So I want to connect to this project, and for this, if I go to privileges, you will see the username, host name, which is host name is localhost, root. We have all the privileges here and grant access to yes. We haven't set any password on this localhost, so we don't need to provide any password. So what I'm gonna do in this, I'm going to create a folder into the main directory. So in our project, I create a folder. I will call it db, and inside it I need to create a file. Now that file also going to call db. You can give it any name if you like any other name. So I just put this. I'm gonna start PHP, and afterwards we need to set up a connection. So here I'm going to say $db underscore server, and it is going to be localhost, as we are working on localhost. Then we have db underscore user. Now it is going to be equal to root user. Then we are going to put the password, and it's going to be empty because we don't have any password currently. Then db underscore database, and this is going to be project. Now you might have any other name instead of database project, but in my case here, if I go to the browser, you can see the project is the database that we are using currently. Now to make the connection, we need to call a MySQL function. So we do that here. So I create a variable first as a connection. It is equal to MySQLi underscore connect, and I pass these parameters. So first going to be db server, and then $db underscore user, and $db underscore password, and then $db underscore database. Now we can see here, we can say here if the connection is successful or not. So if we can put a condition here, I say if $connection. Now $connection, when we put a condition inside, if it is true, then we want to say database, and else we can say database connection failed. Alright, so this is how it goes. Now I go to the browser, and here we need to look for the application of ours. So currently I have application up here. So now this is a db.php, so we need to include this file somewhere to see this. So what we do, I go into index.php, and the top of it I'm going to call this file here. Alright, so it's inside db folder and db.php. Alright, I save this. Now I go to browser and refresh. We get database connected successfully. So this is how you connect your database to the application, a PHP application. Now in the next video we can see the example how we can get the data out of it, and later on we will go more advanced. So we have a post and countries and all this. So currently we have database connected showing up only. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
And I'll go